Hello everybody, today we are making modaks in a new avatar. I will be teaching you two methods, one with mold and one without mold. Let's begin our chocolate modaks. In a bowl we will take half cup desiccated coconut. To that we will add 1/8 cup of milk maid. Make sure that we need a binding consistency. Add little more of milk maid if required. So, this is the consistency that we are looking at. Now in another bowl we will prepare the second filling. We will take motichur laddus and we will crush them using our hands. They should look like this. Start making small balls out of the coconut filling. By the way, this is only the coconut laddu recipe, the easiest coconut laddu. And now we will start making the second variation, that is the modak with our hands. Take a bit of it and start pressing it from the down, creating a narrow neck at the top. Now we'll repeat the same process with the motichur laddus. First the small balls, and for the second variation we will also make the modaks out of the hand. I am using milk chocolate and white chocolate. For melting, you can do microwave 30 seconds each, then stir and then repeat, or you can also use double boiler to melt your chocolate. Please use good quality pure chocolate and not compound. Always use good quality products. Now we will take our modak molds, start pouring the chocolate in it, and to take out the excess chocolate, just reverse it and take out the excess chocolate. In case if there are any gaps remaining afterwards, you can again take the back of the spoon, pour some chocolate and make sure that it is layered very well. Now we will put our filling inside it. That is the coconut laddu that we had prepared. And now cover some more chocolate on top of it. Now with the back of the spoon, try to level it and press it inside. Repeat the process with all the modaks. After it, put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. And for the remaining ones, now I will take white chocolate and show you the second variation. We will repeat the process, it's just that the filling for this will be different. I will be using the motichur filling for this. Take out the excess chocolate for this too. And now fill it with the motichur small laddus that we have prepared. After filling it, again cover it with some more white chocolate and then put this in the freezer for 15 minutes or till it is set completely. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes for it to completely set, since these are pure chocolate and not compound. And now we will start making the version without any mold. So remember, we had made some modaks with our hands, shaping them in the modaks. Keep them on a net with a tray below and start covering it with chocolates. Just repeat the process with all of them until it is nicely covered. And over here you can also put some toppings of your choice. I am using pistachio. You can use almonds, raisins, or anything that you like. Similarly, repeat the process with the motichur laddus. I have used white chocolate for that. Cover it nicely so that there are no gaps. And over here also you can top it with anything. I am using some kesar strands and some motichur laddu to give it a pretty look. Even this will go in the freezer for around 10 to 15 minutes, or it is till it is set. This will go as it is since it is on the net. Once done, let's see how it looks like. Let's start with the stencils one, the mold one. Our perfect modaks are ready. And the best thing is that even the kids love it, just love it. And to me, they gave me a flavor of bounty. And since I am a coconut lover, this is a perfect combination of prasadam and coconut for me. Now I will also show you the other one, that is the second variation that we had done without the molds. Even they come out very well. Just pull them from the bottom with the fingers in between. See how pretty they look too. Our delicious modaks are ready for bhog, and after bhog, do taste and give it a try. And I tasted them and they tasted just heavenly and delicious. Please do give it a try and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done till now, and do show your love below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and keep showering your love like the way you are doing it. Thank you so much.